My dear students, now I want to solve problem of exercise 4.2 and problem number 7 by using properties of determinants in exercises 6 to 14. So, the different result. This is question. So, my dear students, I have decided that some problems I will solve and you will also solve some. So there are how many problems? There are in this group we have about 9 or 10 problems. So we want to solve some important problem, techniques, what will apply, and it will be different from the book. That I am thinking. So now, this problem is important. It was asked in the board exams. Problem is minus a square AB AC, BA minus B square BC, CA CB minus C square. So now, how will you solve this type of problem? See here, minus a square AB AC, BA minus B square BC, CA AB minus C square. So now in right hand side A square B square C. My dear students, in my opinion, what will be the best route to solve the problem of determinant? You first think and try to make two entries B0 of any column or any row. This is the best method. This is the best method. Think first in this direction, then in another direction. So first you think in this direction, and now we take common from first row A, from second row B, and from third row C. So now the determinant is in the form of minus ABC, A minus BC, A B minus C. Now you can think by adding R1 plus R2 or R2 plus R3, we get two entries of a row will be 0. For that purpose, we adding R1 and R2, and we have minus A plus A 0 plus B minus B 0, and it is 2C. And now expanding this determinant with respect to first row, we have 4 ABC. We have 4 ABC, and ABC is also common. One ABC is common. One ABC is common. So 4 ABC into ABC. That will be 4A square B square C square. 4A square B square C square. Now, my dear student, now I want to solve problem number 10. Sub problem number 1. It was asked in the examination also. So try to think on this. X plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. What do we observe? We observe that diagonal elements are same. You see. The diagonal elements are same. First you observe the problem. Diagonal elements are same. And secondly, if we add all the columns or all the rows, this problem will be solved by two ways. Either adding all the columns or adding all the rows, will get common terms. Now it will be 2x plus 2x, 4x plus x, 5x plus 4. It will be x plus 4, 2x, 2x. So it will be how much? 5x plus 4. So you can solve this problem by two ways. So by adding R1, R2, R3, we have 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. And by taking common 5x plus 4, we have 1, 1, 1, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. And subtracting C1 from C2 and C1 from C3. C1 from C2, C1 from C2, C1 from C3. We have 1, 0, 0, 2x, 4 minus x, 0, 2x, 0, 4 minus x. And expanding along first row, we get 5x plus 4 into 1, 4 minus x, 0, 0 minus 4, so 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x square. This is the right hand side. In this way, we can solve this type of problem. I hope you have understood me and you will do better in this chapter. Thank you very much.